The businessman and politician Duduzane Zuma has encouraged his twin sister, Duduzile Zuma Sampodla, to confront the legal charges against her directly. Drawing from his own experience with the justice system, Zuma Sampodla appeared in the Durban Magistrates Court on Thursday facing charges of incitement to commit terrorism and 2 counts of incitement to commit public violence. The charges relate to social media posts made during the July 2021 riots, which erupted following the imprisonment of former President Jacob Zuma. Speaking about his sister's legal battle, Duduzane criticized the delayed prosecution, highlighting a justice-denied doctrine due to the 4-year gap between her post and the formal charges, and said if we are to deal with these issues, let's deal with them as soon as possible. One thing we suffer from in this country is the prolonging of issues, whether it's parliament passing bills or court proceedings. Everything takes too long. We need to improve our capacity to make timely decisions. Drawing parallels to his own legal challenges, Duduzane recalled his confrontational approach in court and said, "I fought my cases head on without beating around the bush. By doing so, they realized not to play those games with me anymore. I hope my sister and her legal team adopt the same approach." He also criticized the National Prosecuting Authority for what he described as political motivated actions, and said the NPA needs to stop playing political games because every time they do, they lose credibility. I was completely innocent of the accusations against me. Politics is a contact sport, but unfortunately, my right to economic justice in this country was infringed. But we are survivors and fighters. Will fight through. Zuma Sampudla was released on warning, with her case set to be transferred to the Durban High Court. Her next court appearance is scheduled for March 20, 2025. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.